Better Mortgage Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get mortgages wrong. They assume applying is long, confusing, and full of hidden fees. The surprising truth about Better Mortgage is that it simplifies the process, offers competitive rates, and you won't believe how fast approvals can happen. Here's how it works. Better Mortgage provides online pre-approval, rate comparisons, and application submission without traditional paperwork. Users can track progress online, upload documents digitally, and communicate with mortgage specialists directly. For example, a first-time homebuyer can see their eligibility, compare rates, and submit an application within days. Most people get this wrong. They assume a broker or bank visit is mandatory, but Better Mortgage streamlines everything online. Additional features include refinancing tools, transparent fee structures, and educational resources for borrowers. Users praise speed, clarity, and reduce stress during the application process. However, there are considerations. Better Mortgage is currently focused on certain regions, and eligibility requirements still apply. Most people assume online mortgages are impersonal. Better Mortgage combines automation with expert guidance. In conclusion, Better Mortgage is ideal for buyers looking for a fast, transparent, and fully digital mortgage experience. Subscribe for more honest reviews of finance and mortgage platforms.